Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Nebula, and in this video I'm showing you how I do my daughter's hair for wash day. So I'm starting out by rinsing her hair very well and then going in with the deep cleansing shampoo by Design Essentials, and I am just lathering that all throughout her scalp. After rinsing out the deep cleansing shampoo, I go on with the moisturizing shampoo by Sexy Hair, and I just lather that all throughout her scalp as well. After thoroughly rinsing that out, I go in with the moisturizing conditioner by Sexy Hair, and I focus that more on her ends. And then I section her hair to detangle it with the conditioner, and it's easier to detangle it with the conditioner in her hair still because it slides through easier. I am going to put the olive oil hair lotion leave-in conditioner in her hair first, and I'm just going to put that all throughout her hair just to like moisturize it. And then I'm going to go in with the almond oil. This is also to keep it moisturized. Here I'm going in with olive oil hair pudding. This is kind of like a soft hold for her hair and also like a moisturizer as well. I am also adding some Eco Styling Gel to her hair. This is for just like a hold and to make her hair like less frizzy when it's in the braids. Here you see me just combing through the products through her hair and also detangling her hair. You also see her brother trying to take her juice. Here I am attempting to make a heart design. All I can say is I tried. and I tend to do this heart design on both sides. Now I'm giving her large, like knotless braids, just on the rest of her head. Now I am adding beads to the bottom of her braids. I'm using the little bead feeder, and then I wrap the hair up over the last bead and wrap the rubber band around that to hold the beads in place. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.